Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about a fun and exciting challenge, learning English in 1 week. This beginner challenge is designed to help you build your English skills quickly and effectively. If you're ready to take on the challenge and improve your English in just 7 days, let's get started. On the first day, you'll start with essential phrases. Learn greetings, introductions, and basic questions. For example, hello, how are you? My name is your name. What's your name? Can you help me, please? Spend the day practicing these phrases out loud and try using them in simple conversations with friends, family, or even with yourself. By the end of day 1, you'll be comfortable with common expressions that you can use in everyday situations. On day 2, focus on learning essential vocabulary related to everyday life. Start with categories like food, places, and family. For example, food, apple, bread, water, places, store, park, school, family, mother, father, brother. Use flashcards or apps like Duolingo or Quizlet to memorize these words. Try making simple sentences with them like, I eat bread, or my mother is at home. Vocabulary is the foundation of any language, so practicing these words will help you build a strong base. Listening is key to understanding English. On day 3, focus on listening to short English conversations, YouTube videos, or podcasts for beginners. You can also watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. For example, watch a short video and repeat what you hear. Try to catch key phrases and words. If you hear a new word, write it down and practice using it later. The more you listen, the more your ears will get used to the sound of English, helping you improve your comprehension. Now it's time to put your vocabulary and phrases into action. On day 4, focus on forming simple sentences. Start by describing your day. I am going to the store. She is my friend. The weather is nice today. Practice writing and saying these sentences out loud. The goal is to get comfortable expressing your thoughts in English, even if they are short and simple. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. On day 5, make it a goal to speak English throughout the day, even if it's just short sentences. Talk about what you're doing. I am eating lunch. I am going to bed now. You can also try talking to someone in English, like a language partner or friend. If you don't have anyone to practice with, use language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Speaking regularly will boost your confidence and help you improve your fluency. On day 6, focus on writing in English. Write a short paragraph about yourself, your day, or something you enjoy. For example, my name is Maria. I am from Mexico. I like to read books and watch movies. Today, I went to the park with my family. Writing helps you practice sentence structure and grammar. After you finish, read what you wrote out loud to practice your speaking skills too. On the final day of the challenge, review everything you've learned. Go over the key phrases, vocabulary, and sentences from the past week. Practice speaking out loud and focus on expressing yourself clearly. You should also try having a full conversation in English, whether it's with a language partner or just practicing in front of the mirror. By the end of the week, you'll notice that your confidence has grown and your English skills have improved significantly. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. Quick recap. English in 1 week challenge. Day 1. Learn key phrases for greetings and introductions. Day 2. Build basic vocabulary with essential words. Day 3. Improve your listening skills by watching videos or listening to podcasts. Day 4. Form simple sentences to describe your day. Day 5. Speak English every day, even if it's just short sentences. Day 6. Practice writing short paragraphs about yourself or your day. Day 7. Review everything and speak with confidence. By following this challenge, you'll be able to speak and understand basic English in just 1 week. The key is to stay consistent, practice daily, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, learning a language is all about progress, not perfection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more fun and practical English learning challenges. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!